Hello everyone, welcome back to Gruhinis World. Today I am gonna show you how we make purest form of ghee in USA made by cow's milk, which is very healthy and make our recipes taste much better. So let's not waste any more time and get started. Friends, always try to use thick bottom vessel to make a ghee, especially for slow cooking process. Here I am using 2 kgs of butter, by which we can make 1.75 kgs of ghee. Friends, leaving wooden slotted spatula in the vessel for the entire process helps in avoiding of splashing or over bubbling of ghee. Try to remove froth on top for speeding up the process. It will take approximately 3 hours of simmering to get a purest form of ghee, but we don't need to completely spend time near the stove. Just checking for every 15 to 13 minutes is fine. Here we rarely find buffalo milk, which is very expensive. That too we have to travel too far to local farms. So most of the people in USA completely depend on cow's milk to prepare ghee. If you make ghee in a slow cooking process, we can retain all the healthy fats and enjoy the purest form of ghee, which provides a special taste to our daily recipes using ghee. So, hope you all try making ghee this way and don't forget to like and share it with your family and friends. Thank you. Bye.